In this video, let us learn interface in Java as per JDK 8. Java 8 provided the ability to include default methods and static methods along with the abstract methods within interfaces. Abstract methods, first one. Interfaces can still declare abstract methods which have no implementation and must be implemented by any class that implements the interface. Abstract methods are implicitly public and abstract. So this particular abstract methods, what we have learned in JDK 1.7, the same thing is repeating it here. Within the interface abstract method, the abstract keyword is optional. If a subclass implementing an interface, the subclass has to be implement abstract method. Otherwise, the subclass has to declare as an abstract. Default methods. Default methods defined using the default keyword and include a method body. Implementing classes or subclasses can either use default implementation or override the default method. Default methods are implicitly public. Now we will take an example. We will provide default method and abstract method in an interface and execute them. So we can create one package now. The package is interface Java 8. We have created one package. Within this particular package, we need to create one class. The class name is default method in interface demo. The class name is default method in interface demo. Since it is a public class, so we need to specify the main method here. And now we need to provide the interface product. So here we will specify an abstract method, abstract void show product price. So this is nothing but a double price. This is an abstract method and it contains a default method, default void show product name. There is a string name. So the default method has body. The product name, just we are printing the name. Suppose there is a class. The class laptop implements an interface, which is the interface product. There is a class laptop implements an interface. So here the laptop, it has to be implement the method called which one? Abstract method. Otherwise we need to specify this one as abstract. Either you need to, in order to resolve the compilation error, you have to define the class as an abstract, or you have to implement this particular method, an abstract method. By default, abstract methods are public. So that's the reason while implementing the abstract method in a subclass, we must specify public access specifier. Now, the product price, so just we are printing the price. Now we need to create an object for laptop. Laptop obj is equal to new laptop. Now by using object obj dot show product price, we'll just specify 55,700.55. So what is the default method? Default method, either you need to override in the subclass or directly you can able to access based on the subclass object. The product name, so Lenovo laptop. So as soon as if you can execute, It provides an output of the product price along with the product name called Lenovo laptop. So in the interface JDK8 in interface, the interface can contains default abstract methods and variables. So along with we can specify default methods. The default methods contains a body. So either subclass has to override the default method or it has to just execute it based on the object of subclass. We can access the default method and we can supply the respective parameter and we can run it. Thank you.